Hello there. Today we're going to see if ALUMILITE deep pour will turn on the lathe well and if it'll sand and polish well. So let's find out. Not too long ago I tried out this deep pour stuff, and these are a couple of things I made. I made the hands and a fake burl. I'll put a link to that video below and at the end of this video. I got questions. Will it turn on the lathe and will it sand and polish like the other ALUMILITE products? And we're gonna find out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop this up, probably with a table saw, square it up, get it on the lathe and turn it. If I have a sanding and polishing video, it'll be down below too and in the card somewhere. I'm not gonna go into detail on this one. I'll probably put some music on and just get it done, and then we'll talk about it at the end when I'm finished. So let's do this. So I've got these round and they really didn't chip out. The strands that come off of there, the ribbons that come off of there are a little bit harder than, like, say, the clear slower, but there's nothing wrong with it. They turned just fine. They wasn't chipping out or anything. Of course, I used the Easy Wood Tools negative rate carbide cutters on all the resin that I do, so they do a pretty good job. So if you're using traditionals or other kinds of turning tools, I don't know what you're gonna get, but using what I use, I didn't get any catches. And these are not exactly flat. I didn't turn them flat. I just kind of having fun making some ribbons. I'm gonna give these away on Instagram, so go follow me over there if you haven't. And by the way, if you're first time here, subscribe and hit the bell and all that stuff. This thing, I'm gonna go ahead and sand and polish these. Once again, I have a video to that down below and it'll be at the end. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So sit back, relax, and watch me do some work. I'll have close-ups of these on the way out. This stuff is for river tables, so in the video that I mentioned that I made these in, I just wanted to see what it would do in other applications, and obviously it'll work. There's a lot of people out there that don't like pressure pots for whatever reason, or they don't want to buy one, or they're scared of them, or whatever, which that's all valid points. So this just proved that you can do pin blanks and things like that. ALUMILITE has a great video on how long you need to let this sit before you mix your colors, so you'll get a swirl instead of a blend and things like that. I'll put it up here and down below. So if it's your first time here, go subscribe, hit the bell and all that kind of stuff. Links to all this stuff will be below, and we'll see you next time, and y'all be good.